connected neighborhoods in Macau, corners of the city you might not know, up and down and all around, going all around Macau, up and down. Elevators and tunnels, hills and flatlands, corners of Macau, up and down and all around.
Okay, this is a little Patio du Tunel tunnel, and interestingly enough, there's actually a way to go up this little incline. I'll show you. It basically connects this area called Nape, so you can see Grand Lisboa Casino directly there, and then you can see this is kind of all the way down as well towards the Macau ferry, and then this is the one where we're going to be going and showing you what the tunnel looks like. You see these kind of cool looking buildings. So okay, so stay tuned for that. We'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we're going to go down the tunnel street. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's going to be our target street, directly down that way. I just want to just kind of show you this kind of interesting looking building. This has all the directions of different stuff. San Francisco Garden. We're going to be walking towards that with the route that we're going to be going. And this building looks kind of new. There's like some wine advertisement, and then these apartments are kind of interesting as well. Okay, so we're going to walk down our tunnel street, tunnel courtyard. And I have filmed this before, but it's been like 5 years probably. So I've had the channel for maybe 2019 before COVID, and I just don't really walk over this area very often. This is more set up for tourists, this area here, and there's more casinos and hotels and such. But there's actually also a connection to this other part called San Francisco Garden. So we saw that map and it had that direction up there. So there's the Patio right there again. And then there's actually these little side streets as well. So this will go all the way down into a whole other area called kind of near the Chinese consulate, different stuff up there. And then this whole space here will lead up to San Francisco Gardens. So I'm going to, and I believe the tunnel reference connects the two of them. So we're going to try to take that. This is where we're coming in at. Yeah, it's really nice actually. Kind of a cool looking little space. Okay, so I'm going to go up there. So stay tuned. Okay, so now we're up here. Check out these apartments. Those are kind of cool little circular balconies. So now we can get an idea. This whole building is getting kind of gutted. They're actually like went through it, but it's a nice brick. I don't know if looks like it's maybe kind of facade brick. I don't know. It's kind of interesting. And now we're up on the mountainside. There's actually something above us as well. And I came up this elevator in case you're curious. So yeah, this one goes up towards a whole other street. But tunnel goes to San Francisco Garden. And yeah, there is a street above us. So let me go up here. Let me jump ahead. Okay, so we just jumped ahead. Let me give you some context. The sun is bright. So we basically just went down this little tunnel right there, and that's part of the Patio, I believe, the tunnel. Some kind of cool stuff up here as well. Okay, so we are going to walk down this way, and then you can see that we're connecting to where the Grand Lisboa Casino is at. This little pink tower is part of San Francisco Gardens. And then if we kept walking up, there's more information here. the San Francisco Gardens, Lazarus, Gia Fortress, and up there is where the hospital is at. Okay, and we basically just came directly down that little tunnel right there. Then over here we have this beautiful pink tower, which I haven't filmed in quite a while. It's a little bit sunny, a little bit bright. Looks like they're doing some construction around it as well. I haven't filmed that in quite a long time. I used to film this quite a bit more. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to combine it with this other street and make it into two different videos. The reason being is that I'm trying to make sure that I document all the different streets, and I don't know if I filmed this Estrada Nova, so we're gonna walk over and see. That's our tunnel right over there. There's our bus stop there. And I'm gonna just grab an image of this road. So there it is, Estrada Nova. So that's the other street that we're on. And then we're gonna look back at that brick building again. There's the pink tower, San Francisco Garden, Grand Lisboa Casino. And then yeah, we went through this tunnel right here. And we're gonna walk, we're gonna go back on this side of the street actually. This green building is beautiful. So I kind of want to capture the context of it. And then now you can also see the brick building. So it's good to combine these two because it'll kind of give the context. Plus, we could have came up on the 3rd floor in that little elevator right there. So that'll add the context of that one as well. And then not only that, but it's kind of pretty. This pink, this is like the where the military barracks used to be. Used to overlook the ocean. There's that beautiful green building right there. Okay, looks super cool. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down, and then yeah, that brick building is where the tunnel started at. Now we can capture this Estrada Nova and you have that kind of cool looking structure. And then I think you have that cool structure. Grand Lisboa. So, and then that right there is the other tunnel entrance. So hopefully that makes sense contextually. I'm gonna try to run past it. And so yeah, there's this little elevator right here. So we'll come back to that context of that. This yellow is the Grand Prix racetrack is up there. Give you some of that. There's the pink. Used to be a military fortress. That's the brick building again. That's the elevator that we could take, but instead I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of walk down a little bit. Now you can see all the greenery. Now we can look back down on that, and that'll kind of be our context for this particular one. Of course I can walk down the camera, but I think you already have the feeling of Tunnel Street. Okay, so another slice of Macau there for you. It's kind of crazy, this brick building. Beautiful in its own way. Okay.